If your photos look too yellow, orange, or warm, there's a super fast fix in Photoshop that can save you a lot of time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove yellow discoloration in photos using the Camera Raw white balance dropper, which is one of the easiest and most accurate ways to correct color cast. This is perfect for portraits, product photos, scanned images, or any picture that just doesn't look quite right. And if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tips. Let's jump into it. First, open your image in Photoshop and make sure your photo layer is selected. If you're working with a standard image, you can go straight to the top menu and click Filter, then Camera Raw Filter. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus A on Windows or Command plus Shift plus A on Mac if you want to work faster. This opens up Camera Raw, which gives you powerful color correction controls without needing to do complicated manual adjustments. Once Camera Raw opens, look over to the right-hand toolbar and select the white balance tool. It looks like a small eyedropper, and you can also press the I key to activate it. This tool is the key to fixing that yellow cast because Photoshop will analyze the spot you click and automatically rebalance the colors based on that sample. Now this part is really important. Look inside your image for something that should be neutral. That means an area that is supposed to be light gray, off-white, or pure white in real life. Good examples are a white shirt, a sheet of paper, a gray concrete surface, a white wall, or another object that should not have any obvious color in it. Try not to click on shiny highlights, bright reflections, deep shadows, or anything strongly colored because that can throw off the correction. Once you find a good neutral target, click it once with the white balance tool. Photoshop will instantly shift the temperature slider away from yellow and toward blue if needed, and it may also adjust the tint slider to balance out any extra green or magenta tones. In many cases, this one click is enough to make the photo look dramatically better right away. Take a moment to compare the before and after. You should notice that skin tones look more natural, whites look cleaner, and the whole image feels less muddy or overly warm. If the result looks good, you can simply click OK to apply the correction and return to Photoshop. If the image still feels a little off, you can fine-tune it manually inside Camera Raw by adjusting the temperature slider a bit more toward blue or warm, depending on the look you want. You can also tweak tint slightly if the image needs a cleaner balance, but in most cases, the white balance dropper gets you very close in just one step, which is why it's such a great starting point. A quick tip, if you're editing multiple photos from the same lighting setup, this method can save you a huge amount of time because you can correct one photo accurately and then use that same color direction as a guide for the others. It's especially useful for indoor lighting, older photos, or photos taken under mixed lighting where yellow color cast is a common problem. So that's the easiest way to remove yellow discoloration in photos in Photoshop using Camera Raw and the white balance tool. It's fast, it's accurate, and it gives you a clean, natural result without overcomplicating the edit. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what Photoshop tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.